I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off, knowing I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm pushing up my mind, taking all you take it. I'm chasing a dream that I every day. I don't ever take it, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
caution. In the event of an unsafe occurrence, the emergency siren will sound, it will temporarily suspend proceedings, and you will be guided by our staff to evacuate the hall through the doors marked as exit. Enjoy the show!
अरे उसको दिख ही नहीं रहा है भाई, इधर आइए उधर आइए क्या। अरे भाई
Namrita, I don't think I'm being biased, but this was the best show for me. Or Sone Pe Suhaga, we had Malaika and we had Cobra. And importantly, we have R. Elan backing us all. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you again for being here.
What we're expecting next time, R. Elan will be more innovative, more than what they've done. I think the stilettos need to go and they need to do something about shoes as well. So I was speaking to many of them. They will definitely come up with a fiber for that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Some of the first people to shoot at me, lend me clothes, was Falguni, Shane, and Peacock. So I have so much high regard for them because they're not just pioneers in presenting urban India in India and internationally, but they're also just amazing people who have evolved every few years, and essentially that's what all of us Indians do, and that's what we are. We stand for that, and the fact that we say yes to every opportunity that comes our way and don't look at it like an obstacle, and instead we look at it as something that we need to conquer and build out of. For me, Falguni and Shane both are creative people I look up to. Whenever I am actually confused in certain creative decisions, I always ask and seek advice from them. And the fact that they thought of me for this collection, it's so humbling. It's so nourishing for me to know as a person, because you guys mean the world to me. I have always had the best time interacting with you for shoots, for performances, for whatever I've done with you guys, and I really feel like I would love to go on a rooftop and scream as to how this particular collection that they've done. I think it's the first time in my Lakme Fashion Week career of walking, I have ever wanted to own every single piece I saw on the runway. I can't tell you, the models just looked out of this world. Everything was wearable, everything was relatable and aspirational, which is just a combination that we all really want. And I think you guys have nailed Kuto. You guys have nailed relatability and aspiration. I don't know how you guys do it. Thank you for having me. Thank you for making me a small part of this. And it was so much fun working with you, with Karan. It's just the nicest combination that I could have asked for. People who love fashion, people who enjoy fashion, and use it like an everyday expression. So it's been a wonderful, wonderful night. I hope you guys had fun.
बोला ना भाई, अंदर ही मिलेगा, तुम लोग काय के लिए बाहर में? अरे कौन थैंक यू बोल देता है? अरे ले
भाई यहीं पे विजय भाई कैसे हो? ऑल गुड। विजय भाई भाई यहाँ पे लेफ्ट में विजय भाई राइट में विजय भाई हैप्पी बर्थडे एडवांस।
अरे क्या भाई, कभी है?
शिवा के बाजू में क्या बात है
शिल्पा मॅडम मोबाईल पिछला पूछिया तू एक पहिला सोलो करते ये शिल्पाची आपण शिल्पा मॅडम
मैम राइट साइड
शिल्पा मॅडम
शिल्पा मैम राइट साइड मोबाइल मोबाइल
मॅम राईट
मैम राइट साइड
शिल्पा मॅडम सुंदरी शिल्पा मॅडम इकडे बघा सर आइए एक साथ में
सर साथ में आइए सर साथ में आइए
अजहर सर मजहर सर
अच्छे
मोहम्मद मजहर सर लुक इस साइड कैंडी स्पॉट
नाइस विजुअल
राइट
मैम अभी ये साइड में राइट में थोड़ा
मैम लेफ्ट
मैम आपके राइट में अभी
शिल्पा मैडम
शिल्पा मैडम
थैंक यू मैडम हाँ एक ऐसा पोज या
मैम
नाइस पोज शिल्पा मैडम वेट इथे बघा समोर मॅडम इथे बघा मॅडम
बोलो लोग के पास
अभी राइट में
बहुत अच्छा है
बहुत
बहुत सोलो फोटो करते हैं
ये मचाओ पीछे भी लोग हैं
इधर इधर मैडम इधर देखो यहाँ पे ये बैक
बहुत
इधर देखो मैडम इधर आइए
लाइट मारो मैम यो
शिल्पा मैडम लाइट मैडम इकडे बघा
नहीं है भाई
मैडम इधर लास्ट कॉर्नर
मैम इकडे
इधर
बघा
इधर 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 लास्ट कॉर्नर शिल्पा जी लुक है अपनी
पुढवी करे
हाँ इधर इधर शिल्पा जी यहाँ पर देखो इधर लास्ट में शिल्पा जी इधर इधर लास्ट में इधर 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 शिल्पा जी शिल्पा मैडम
हो गया
लेफ्ट साइड अभी लेफ्ट साइड
लेफ्ट साइड
ये टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर
लेफ्ट साइड बस इधर बस
अंकल रुक जाओ
वेट मैडम वेट मैडम थांबा इधर बघा थोड़ा लेफ्ट में आइए वेट मैडम वेट सामने मैडम ए पासिंग मैडम लुक हियर मॅडम इधर नाही झालं इकडे थँक्यू वाव ब्यूटीफुल
भाई कुछ ज्यादा ही लाइट
वेट थोड़ा लेफ्ट में वेट गाइस वाव थैंक यू लाइट चेंज हो रहा है रोहित कम ऑन लेफ्ट मैडम लुक यार सामने मैडम राइट साइड सामने मैडम ए रानी बाग सामने देखो मैडम वेट लुक हियर
वेट
Ma'am, tell us something about the best part of Lakme Fashion Week because it has just completed 25 years.
Well, it's amazing. I'm really happy to be part of it. 25 years of Lakme Fashion Week. I think I've been part of so many seasons, so it feels like home. And I'm very happy to have worked for Namrata Joshipur. I think it was a fantastic collection, very sustainable, and what Milan has done with the fabric and everything in terms of athleisure, I think has been super.
मोस्टली हमने आपको ट्रेडिशनल में वर्क करते हैं ज़्यादा देखा, इस बार काफ़ी अलग था, वर्क काफ़ी अलग था, आउटफिट काफ़ी अलग था, इसके बारे में
जी आई थिंक काफ़ी इंडियन अटायर में पहले मैंने वॉक किया। आई थिंक काफ़ी वक्त के बाद मैं एक वेस्टर्न आउटफिट इस किस्म का मैंने पहना। सो येस इट्स डिफरेंट एंड आई लाइक्ड इट। बहुत ही कमाल का शो था।
Malaika, your Instagram bio speaks about food, fashion and fitness. Which comes first in the order? Which F comes first and how do you rate it?
My 3 favorite Fs, so yeah, all of them.
Which is most important for you out of the three?
How can I live with any one of them, without any one of them? I need food, I need fitness, and I need fashion in my life at all times.
What do you think about the growing industry when it comes to the athleisure?
I think it's a huge business. I'm somebody who truly stands for athleisure. I propagate it, I wear it, I am all for it. I'm really happy to be part of a brand like Reebok, which has over the years shown so much of faith in me, and I love the brand. So yes, I think athleisure is here to stay.
Ma'am, you are a role model, you are a fitness icon. So, जो newcomers हैं, जो अगर आपने
नर्वस मैं भी मुझे नर्वस अभी फील होता है। हाँ ऑफ कोर्स वो नर्वसनेस कभी नहीं जाती।
Who's your role model?
Who's my role model? My mother. Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.
एक्चुअली यही एक फॉर्मेट था जो फाल्गुनी एंड शेन का आइडिया था कि वी शुड हैव 2 शो स्टॉपर्स एंड मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि हम सब इसे बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं, हम इसे काम की तरह नहीं देखते। आज मेरा एक ऐसा दिन है जहाँ पर मैंने बहुत मज़े से तैयार हुई हूँ, ऑलमोस्ट फेल्ट लाइक अ पर्सनल इवेंट। इट डिडंट फील लाइक आई एम वॉकिंग फॉर लैक्मे फैशन वीक। वो प्रेशर नहीं था और बहुत ईज था। I think it was because it was a Falguni and Shane, and also I just love walking the ramp. It's a thrilling experience. Actually, contrary to popular belief, I like being extremely present and looking at people. Sometimes you can't see people because the lights are very bright, but और हर शो में possible नहीं होता, पर most shows I try to be present while I'm walking. And I'm very much there with everyone. I think it's finding your true, core and using that as an expression in everything. That's
जवाब दे रहे रुक जाए।
I think just staying happy and choosing happiness. That's the easiest way to do it.
I think we're good, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you guys.
तमन्ना जी लैक्मे का 25th ईयर है,
बिल्कुल।
इसके बारे में कुछ कहना है और कैसा आपका होल एक्सपीरियंस और आगे कैसा रहने वाला है, आप कैसे और एक्सप्लोर करने वाले प्लीज़ उस बारे में बताइए।
अभी तो ऐसे कोई खास प्लान्स नहीं है, बट आई फील लाइक इट्स ऑलवेज वंडरफुल वॉकिंग फॉर लैक्मे फैशन वीक। इट्स द 25th year and it's a celebration of everybody who does some amazing couture work, some amazing fashion, and it's actually about celebrating Indian craftsmanship with some spectacular Indian design.
फिल्मी दुनिया में any upcoming from your side?
बहुत सारे आप हैंडल नहीं कर पाओगे इतना सारा ऐसे आने वाला है आपको। मैं आपको सबकी ऐसे टिंग 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 I'll be on your notifications.
तमन्ना जी आउटफिट की बात करें तो आप सबसे ज़्यादा किसमें कंफर्टेबल, वेस्टर्न या फिर
दोनों ही एक्चुअली हम सभी जो हम सारे इंडियंस जो हैं हम दोनों को बहुत खूबसूरती और आसानी से एम्ब्रेस करते हैं। हमारे लिए हम आई थिंक हमारे जहन में वो डिफ्रेंसीशन नहीं रखते क्योंकि हम किसी में भी ढल जाते हैं एंड आई थिंक वो मेरे लिए बहुत ही हमेशा कोर रहा है. आई लव एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग एंड आई गो इन टू विच एवर आई नीड टू. आज का जो आउटफिट है मुझे बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि मेरा स्टाइल ऐसा है कि कुछ ना कुछ फ्लूइड होना चाहिए और कुछ बहुत स्ट्रक्चर्ड होना चाहिए. ये मैं काफ़ी वक्त से फॉलो करती आई हूँ क्योंकि ये मेरे पर्सनालिटी का कोर है. सो जब ये कपड़ों में ढलता है तो बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है. जी.
रैंप वॉक पर, लेकिन आप जो है उस सारे जो माइंडसेट को तोड़ दिए अपने फिटनेस तरीके से, इस पे क्या कुछ कहना चाहिए? कभी कभी ट्रोल भी हुए लेकिन लोग आपको काफ़ी सपोर्ट किए.
I just think that beauty for me has a very different take, and I'm just happy that I love how I look, and I really enjoy my own self. So I'm just very happy, and I've got actually the kind of love I've gotten from people. I don't think anything that I could have done differently to get so much love. So I feel extremely loved, and I feel extremely cherished.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Guys, have a good night. Aja.
I know, isn't it? I feel like a gladiator. It's just fabulous. I just think it's given power dressing a new name. Yeah.
What do you think about her? I mean, she is gorgeous and looks like a model, and that entire
So Sari is like her favorite, and basically the whole idea behind this collection is my home city, a small city, hometown, Saharanpur. So which is like famous for wooden handicrafts. So there is like loss of karigar worker. They used to migrate for like livelihood outside. So I thought let's start a project, the Jila Saharanpur. So I started it in Saharanpur, and I started joining people. Now there is like more than 300 people. They working with me. They living with their family. So I'm trying to give a new name to the fashion. Okay, how the fashion can be from a small town also. How like sustainable living can be from a small town also. Yeah. So this basically the piece Shilpa is wearing. This is made by like local artisan of Saharanpur, and this is totally wooden made. Yeah.
Touch wood.
Touch wood.
I think it's a brilliant idea that okay. I think it's a brilliant idea, a great initiative to create fashion and have the thought of also creating livelihood for these people in Saharanpur, and I totally support the cause. And look at the kind of fashion Mohammed churns out. I think it truly is very innovative. It's very hard to work with wood, but he's made it look so glamorous, and it's given power dressing a new definition. You know, so kudos to you, Mohammed. And I also love the fact that you've shown people in Saharanpur that you are actually supporting them and, you know, giving them a livelihood, which really is something that must be taken note of. So wonderfully done.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. It's not that heavy actually. It's very well supported.
तो शिल्पा इतने एक्सपीरियंस के बाद भी क्या रैंप पे चलने से पहले आपको भी नर्वसनेस या कॉन्फिडेंस कुछ शेयर करना चाहिए?
नहीं, नर्वस तो नहीं फील करती मैं, बट रैंप पे कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, तो मैं थोड़ा सा प्राणायाम कर लेती हूँ, अनुलोम विलोम, और फिर मैं चलना शुरू करती हूँ. Yes. No, I don't. Do you? I really don't remember the first time I walked, but I do remember walking many a times for Lakme Fashion Week, and every experience has been a memorable one. I've walked for designers who were just starting out, who are very famous today and doing extremely well for themselves. And I think this is a great platform to showcase
designers work and what they believe in. And yeah, I've seen designers starting from scratch today, designing internationally. So I think the first platform that they've got is from here, from India. And I just think, yeah, it's an amazing opportunity.
Thank you. नहीं boss नहीं answer. अरे नहीं, don't do this. I have limitations.
Yeah.
लास्टली ईद विश आपकी तरफ से और सलमान सर की भी सिकंदर आ रही है, उस पर कुछ रिएक्शन आपको?
नहीं sorry, ये लैक्मे का नहीं है।
सबका नहीं।
Thank you.
Thank you.
Excellent collection.
Thank
This is something, really surprised us. Excellent. And I can easily see the kind of work which has gone, to put together this kind of collection. And we are very happy to collaborate from Reliance with Namrata to put together this kind of collection. We have used RLN fabric, different types, close to 50 plus varieties of the fabrics to put together this kind of collection. And just to mention here that these fabrics are sustainable in nature. They are produced out of post-consumer PET bottles. Reliance is committed to recycling. We recycle 2.5 billion bottles on an annual basis. We are growing. We will put together another capacity to go up to 5 billion bottle recycling on an annual basis. So lots of technology, lots of process re-engineering to put together this kind of very, very innovative, functional performance fabric in place to help this kind of collections to come in. This kind of work, I'm sure, Namrata will inspire many others and will create a kind of ripple in the society and in the industry. That's what we need actually, because all these activities put together, I'm sure will be able to contribute to reduction in the landfill waste, cut down on the carbon emission, and this will make our planet cleaner and greener. So from Reliance side, we are committed. We will work together with the stakeholders to make sure we contribute and we effectively contribute meaningfully in the society to serve this purpose, to make our planet cleaner and greener for the next generation to come. Thank you very much.
Tell us a bit about the collection, the association.
First of all, I want to thank the RISE team, our Elan team, JC, Mr. Sethi for giving me this opportunity. And this was not a collection for me, this was homecoming for me. I love athleisure, I live in athleisure, so thank you. And the collection, as it's called, Athleisure Redefined, was about elevated activewear that goes from the gym to the lounge to your airport look. And the outfit that Malaika has is from their star fabric, green gold, I even know that, which is made from recycled PET bottles. That's the fabric. Yes, that entire outfit that you have on is made from green gold, the star fabric, which is made from recycled PET bottles. So I've enjoyed working on this collection, and I want to thank Malaika. She's been my fitness role model for many, many, many years. So thank you. No one fitted this look better than you. And here, Kubra, who opened the show, is Sisterhood of Kilimanjaro. We've climbed Kilimanjaro, and that's why she opened this show, because she was the perfect person to open the show. So thank you, and
yes. I think lots of firsts over here. First time I'm doing something with Namrata. First time I'm to be part of a collection backed completely by Reliance. So that's fantastic. The thought behind it is truly amazing. 25 years of Lakme, that's a big one. I've been part of Lakme through every single year, so I feel amazing to be back. First time I'm working with Koob, so that's also great.
I love that. Thank you,
Yes,
my
thank you
love.
so much, and I've had a fantastic show today. I think definitely one of my most favorite shows that I've done and I've walked. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for being supportive. Thank you for always showing a lot of love, and I shall see you soon. Have a great evening.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sorry, Mr. Sethi, I love you. You know that.
My true cheerleader. Thank you so much for that. I mean, really, like, मेरी जान में जान आ गई when I was like walking for the second time and I could just hear Mr. Sethi go like, yes, Cobra, yes, and thank you so much for cheering so many wonderful designers, for giving us all a platform. Thank you so much, Alliance, for thinking so much ahead in terms of nature and sustainability. And oh my God, now that I know what I'm wearing, I feel like I'm a genie in a bottle or something. Like, this is so cool. It's my first time ever, as Mala said, like, there's so many firsts. It's my first time ever to walk, to open the show, and to feel so comfortable. I think the last few years we've been talking about how athleisure has become like the stay, feel good fashion statement, and today your collection embodied all of that and more. And now I'm just thinking how I'm going to take these clothes, look this fashionable up in the mountains when we're like struggling.
No, we could do this every time we come out of yoga.
Yeah, and you know, it is not like new for like Mala and me to be like, oh nice, where's that one from? So thank you so much for setting the tone for so many years. Thank you for being my friend and my comrade doing yoga. Thank you for like directing so many of us towards fitness, and here we are celebrating athleisure at its best. So thank you everyone for coming. Thank you.
Good to see you, ma'am. जिस तरह से लैक्मे पे आपने स्टार्ट किया, शो स्टॉपर बनी, how is the experience all the please share?
शो ओपनर भी होता है, पता है? हमने शो स्टार्ट ही कर लिया. मतलब it's amazing, man. I think it was just such a fantastic outfit, right? To start, it was bright, it was aplomb, it was energy, and that's what I think athleisure should be. And I am so glad I was able to open wearing that outfit for Namrata Joshi Pura. So thank you.
Tell us about the collection and all. How do you like it?
I think it's super comfortable. Like abhi ye thoda garmi hai, guys. That's the truth. But what an outfit! Like, can you imagine just like being chill, wearing this, feeling sexy, getting into a plane, traveling wherever. I think that's the beauty of athleisure. It's comfortable, it's fashion, and it's so much style and oomph. And I think everyone's come together. Most importantly, all the outfits are made out of sustainable fashion and sustainable fabric, created by recycling PET bottles. So that's pretty awesome.
ये नम्रता जी ने कहा ये परफेक्ट एयरपोर्ट लुक दिखाई दे रहा है.
आप भी लाना और मेरा एयरपोर्ट लुक आप ही लेना मैडम. हाँ ठीक है, बाय.
कोई चैलेंजिंग रहता है कभी ऐसे जब आप बाहर जा रहे हो पैप्स आपको कवर करते हैं, चैलेंजिंग रहता है कि क्या पहनना?
नहीं यार, you should always be comfortable. आप प्लेन ले रहे हो, जंग लड़ने नहीं जा रहे हो, प्लेन में जा रहे हो. No, I was very, very confident, and thank you because everyone in the audience is so amazing, and everyone was cheering, and the paps were all there. It was amazing. So yeah, thank you. Dude, it's Bhai's film, yeah. Bhai Jaan. I'm really excited for Sikandar. And it's going to be fun to have all of us go back into the cinemas and watch a film again. So I'm looking forward to that. And no, I haven't watched the trailer yet. Yeah, I'm packing कर रही थी और रैंप पे चलने की तैयारी कर रही
Anything coming up from your side? Any?
हूँ. Very soon, kids.
Okay.
I love you all. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Jindo, who heads W, just read a little bit about today. Nothing.
भूमि जी, सबसे पहले आप अपने आउटफिट के बारे में बताइए, कैसा है आउटफिट और लैक्मे फैशन वीक को इतना खास क्या बनाता है?
आई थिंक 25 साल हो गए हैं लैक्मे फैशन वीक के. इट्स ट्रूली अ माइलस्टोन ईयर फॉर देम एंड आई एम रियली थ्रिल्ड कि उनके 25वें साल में मैंने अमित के साथ कोलैबोरेट किया. आई एम अ वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ हिज वर्क. ही जेन्युइनली इज़ वेरी डिसरप्टिव इन हिज थिंकिंग. और मुझे आज जो मैंने पहना है एक ब्यूटिफुल कॉर्सेट विद आई लव द स्टाइलिंग एज वेल. आई हैव टू टेल यू दिस. आई लव हाउ यू गाइज हैव पुट इट टुगेदर. दिस कॉर्सेट ये रीपर्पस बनारसी साड़ी का बना हुआ कॉर्सेट है. जो मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा कूल लगता है. आई थिंक व्हाटएवर वर्क अमित ने अपनी बनारसी साड़ियों के साथ किया है, it's always been a standout. Every piece has been spoken about so much, and I'm very confident this one would be spoken about as well. And I think the world is going towards sustainable fashion, and he really epitomizes it.
Thank you.
फोन के उसमें और आपके उसमें क्या सिमिलरिटी?
हाँ?
फोन नथिंग को फोन के उसमें ये डिजाइन की गई है, तो आपको क्या सिमिलरिटी?
I think
नथिंग के फोन में
आई थिंक वो भी एक बहुत ही डिस्ट्रप्टिव डिज़ाइन है, मैं भी एक डिस्ट्रप्टिव इंसान हूँ. आई थिंक दैट वुड बी द सिमिलैरिटी.
I think can I answer for you?
Please.
I think एक फ़ोन का काम ये होता है कि टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू दो इंसानों को जोड़े. I think Bhumi does that beautifully. I think through her skill, which is I think a technical skill mixed with emotion, she brings I think the human race together. And I think that is the similarity I find between the phone and her. The color palette was of course a lot of neutrals in the collection because I think as a classic wardrobe you definitely cannot let go of neutrals from your wardrobe. But with of course definitely more festive colors that quintessentially work for the Indian skin tone. I think the aspect of the Banarsi which comes in heritage colors mixed with a lot of industrial material was the palette of the collection.
भूमि जी, जब आप इंडस्ट्री में आए थे तो अगर आपके फैशन की बात करें, आपके बिजनेस की बात करें, जो आपका कैरेक्टर था काफ़ी अलग था, और अब जो देख रहे काफ़ी अलग ट्रांजिशन हुआ है, तो इस पर आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? कितना ज़रूरी होता है लाइफ में ट्रांजिशन लेना, क्योंकि काफ़ी आर्टिस्ट हैं जिनका काफ़ी अलग ही चेंजेस आ रहे हैं.
मैम एक्चुअली मैं ना किरदार टू किरदार चेंज होती हूँ. हो सकता है अगले 6 महीनों में कोई ऐसा कैरेक्टर आए जिसके मैं ऐसी ना दिखूँ, तो आप इससे यूज टू मत होना. आई एम एन एक्टर फर्स्ट. मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा पैशनेट हूँ अबाउट व्हाट आई डू, एंड आई ऑलवेज ट्राई कि मैं अपने आप को सिर्फ इंटरनली नहीं एक्सटर्नली भी एक कैरेक्टर के लिए ट्रांसफॉर्म करूँ. सो आई बिन लाइक दिस बिकॉज देयर वर 2 पीसेज ऑफ कॉन्टेंट दैट आई वॉज डूइंग जहाँ पे वो किरदार ऐसा लगता था, तो इसलिए भूमि अभी ऐसी लग रही है. चेंज हो सकती है वो.
मेरे हस्बैंड की बीवी को हमने देख लिया, आगे क्या आगे धमाका?
आगे रॉयल्स आ रहा है. आई डोंट थिंक डेट आउट है तो मैं नहीं बोल सकती. नहीं, वो जल्दी आ रहा है लेकिन. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
जी, सबको बहुत 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 ज़्यादा ईद मुबारक. जी, हम सब बहुत एक्साइटेड हैं. थैंक यू.